Just Lauren Casey here now with a look at the forecast.
Yeah.
It's, let's see, Monday is a good day, right?
Monday is a good day, and then it goes pretty downhill pretty quickly from there on out.
But if you like the heat.
If you like the heat, it's in store for you. Also, we'll be dealing with some tropical moisture arriving on Wednesday. So let's get the latest right now with Barry, a tropical depression right now. Winds at about 35 miles per hour, motion to the north at 9 miles per hour. It will complete its extratropical transition as we head into the day tomorrow and eventually move off to the north and east. And some of that moisture will arrive in the Delaware Valley as we head into Wednesday, and that will really enhance our downpour chance. But Storm Scan 3 showing us really Barry is a great example of the fact that a tropical system does not need to be a hurricane to pose life-threatening hazards. It's a tropical depression. It's hundreds of miles inland, but still we are dealing with these feeder bands bringing in torrential rain over the same areas again and again, eastern Louisiana and parts of Mississippi. So we have that flash flooding threat, a river flooding threat, and also a tornado threat. Tornado watch is in effect already today. 5 tornado reports in parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. But back closer to home, we are nice and quiet. Storm Scan 3 showing us hardly a cloud in the sky. We had a few clouds around midday. We do have a dry cold front, though, building in as we speak. This front will not generate any rainfall, any storm activity. What it will do, though, is usher in this drier air off to our north. Dew points down into the 50s, so that will start to spill in tonight. And all through the day tomorrow, we'll have pleasant, comfortable conditions. But as we head into Tuesday, humidity creeps back up into that humid category, and then by Wednesday we're talking about dealing with oppressive humidity that is going to persist into the latter portion of the week and potentially next weekend. But conditions looking perfect right now, closing down a beautiful and a completely dry weekend down the shore right now. Ocean City, still a lot of people out and about on the sand, in the water, taking a little dip because it is hot down the shore. It's hot in the city, it's hot in the Lehigh Valley. We're at 85 in Allentown, 89 in Philadelphia right now, 90 in Dover. And check this out, that land breeze keeping temperatures up near 90 in Ocean City. We're at 88 in Stone Harbor, 88 degrees in Cape May. As we head throughout the rest of the week, though, we are really going to start to boost our temperatures and that humidity as well. And that's going to combine to create some dangerous heat indices, especially as we push into Friday, when our heat index value could surpass 105 degrees. But overnight tonight, nice and pleasant, mostly clear down to 68 degrees. So a slightly cooler night in store as we head into the day tomorrow. A slightly cooler day, 87 degrees, mostly sunny with those comfortable humidity levels. And down the shore tomorrow, it's going to be a very nice one. Still a little hot on the sand, but comfortable humidity highs in the middle 80s. Watching out for that very high UV index. And yeah, the heat is on as we head into midweek. Wednesday is that day that we'll see Barry's tropical moisture arrive, so we'll see scattered downpours and thunderstorms developing late day, and some of those could contain very heavy, near torrential rainfall. So that's a day to watch out for as we head into Thursday. A lesser thunderstorm chance, and then the heat is really on into Friday. 97. That's not even factoring in the oppressive humidity.
Leslie wanted to know if Friday's a good day for water skiing.
Sure, yes, that's perfect.
Just talking about this.
Yeah,
All right,
I think
Lauren.
we'll do that.
Leslie.